Hi, it's William. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very typical classic design called Accordion. So basically, it's just a series of cards, and we call that Accordion because it's really similar to Accordion. You click it, like expand the accordion. You click it, expand the accordion, and if you don't want the accordion to exist, you can just click it and we'll shrink it to your original size. So it's like a really helpful, especially if you look at iOS design. You got a lot of like a message that pop up on your home screen, and you can you got like all the message that it got a title. You can quickly browse through the message, but if you want to know the detail, you just need to click and you can see the detail. It's very classic design. And by the way, if you want to download the code, if you want to use this code commercially, you can do that, but just join the Patreon. Okay, it's just $3. I really need that support because I'm in financial difficulty recently. So yeah, and of course I also write a recent version of it. Once you join the Patreon, you can not only download the code, but also you can see my blog and my learn free, and you enter the Patreon's code, and you can got the step-by-step blog, and I have written like a tons of blog about all sort of things. Okay, got like expandable view, gesture, all that. Yeah, you just need to join the Patreon, and you can open it. Okay, so yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. In order to do the accordion layout, you have to set up the project. Right now, well, it's just basic structs, and I also got this accordion item struct that is sort of serve as a placeholder. You can separate that your refactor. It doesn't really matter, but most importantly is that you need to make a model that is identifiable. Now we got this different ID, title, content, expanded, all that. You make it like here, so you can actually identify different item, like this, like a data structure. Rather just making much more organized rather than ad hoc. So you can pass in the different like title, content for different accordion. So I expand a little bit. Of course, pass everything inside the body. We got it like V stack. That's basic layout. Inside the V stack, a text, and for each loop, we loop all these items, and we got a frame. We got a certain background. Really simple one. But more importantly, because you need to like click this and expand the accordion. Okay, so that's the place where the accordion will, of course, you reflect it in places at the left. It doesn't really matter. But since I'm going to use this accordion item, so I'm going to use a binding so I can access this, and then basically it's just pass in all this information. Body, V stack, vertical stack. We got a button, right? We got this button, and we get action with a specific animation. Okay. And we got edge stack, we got a text of a title, and then a image. We got a circle field, arrow down. That's because if you click it, you can notice that the arrow just become down. Okay, so that's a little nice thing that I did here. And of course, we got this rotation effects. Expanded, you get like rotate, so you can get like a smooth transition. And if item is expanded, we got a like a different frame. Of course, you can change all this, change the size even. Doesn't really matter. You can customize my code once you join the Patreon. Okay, so of course, if you want like make it bigger, I can say like let me make it 200, just to make like drastic changes and run build and run our code so you guys can see the difference of height. Okay, so original something like this. Yeah, is it just sorry, it's not here. Should be like expanded height. We got a corner radius is expanded. Okay, I'm going to search for height like a 44. Center to toggle max height, all that height. Yeah, 44. We got a chevron image. 56, 44. Yeah, Yeah, I just forgot. We have to add a specific frame, because right now the frame is just like a width. So it just automatically become these like the just the narrow part. Just like height enough to include it. So yeah, frame max width infinity. Um, let's add a height modifier. I can see the height will be a let me make it like more drastic so you guys can see change. So you got like a 300. So let's run it again. So width will be infinity, so you could just take as much place as possible. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, so yeah, I'm going to use this version of code as a yeah, as a source code. You can download my version. Of course, you can change yeah, change to different as well. Let me just make it even more drastic so you guys can like see the drastic, smooth, and drastic but also smooth transition. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So even like expands a little bit, just make it to go up a little bit. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. So yeah, don't forget, if you want to support me, if you want to like download the source code, or want to use it commercially, use a real project, whatever, just join. Just 1 month, that's enough. 1 month you can like download all the previous code that I have written. I use that. Yeah. So yeah, thanks, and yeah, bye. Don't forget, if you don't want to support me, just give me this video a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks. Bye.